Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely use the jack with your Ford Fiesta. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and put the transmission in park or first gear for automatic models or first gear for manual. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will stay on the ground. Gather your jack, wheel wrench, and the locking wheel nut key. Now, let's prepare your Fiesta for lifting. Before raising the vehicle, use the wheel wrench to slightly loosen the wheel nuts on the tire you intend to remove. Do not remove them completely yet. Next, locate the correct jacking points on your vehicle's undercarriage. These are typically reinforced areas designed to support the jack's weight. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact locations to prevent damage. With the jack correctly positioned, begin to slowly raise your Ford Fiesta. Turn the jack handle clockwise to lift the vehicle gradually. Only lift it high enough so that the tire you are working on is just clear of the ground. It is crucial to never work under a vehicle supported solely by a jack. For your safety, always place a sturdy jack stand under the vehicle's frame near the jacking point before performing any work. Once your work is finished, it's time to safely lower your Ford Fiesta. First, remove the jack stand from under the vehicle. Then, slowly turn the jack handle counterclockwise to gradually lower the car back to the ground. Once the vehicle is fully down, remove the jack completely. Finally, use the wheel wrench to fully tighten all the wheel nuts in a star pattern to ensure they are secure. Double-check all nuts before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.